Hi, welcome to another video. So, Anthropic has launched their new computer use API, which allows Claude 3.5 Sonnet to control a whole computer. So, I really wanted to try it out myself and see if it really does what they say it does. So, today, I'll be telling you how you can run it yourself and use it as well and have fun with it. Let's get started and get right into it. First of all, you'll need to come to this page, which is the documentation of the whole thing about how the computer use API works. Now let me tell you a quick brief about how it works. So, most of you may know how models use tools. Like, you could give the Sonnet model previously a set of tools, and it would use them to perform tasks. But what Anthropic did is pretty simple. They simply transformed that tool object you used to get in the API to have an already fixed set of tools, which is like cursor movement, taking screenshots and stuff. Then you can write your own code to parse that tool output and make it work with your system. So, it can only tell you the coordinates of where you need to move the mouse, and you'll need to implement your code to make that work. It just gives you a coordinate. But you don't need to be sad after hearing this, because you can use it even if you're not a tech bro. So, for that, Anthropic has shared a simple example Docker instance that we can run and use agents without writing any code. So, let me guide you through it. First of all, just click this reference implementation link here. This will open up this GitHub page. Now, this is the main implementation to make it work. To use it locally, just scroll down. Now here, you'll see this Docker command. We'll need to run this command to make this implementation work locally. Make sure that you have Docker installed. Otherwise, just get it installed. It's quite easy. Anyway, first, go to Terminal and add your API key like this first. Once you have done that, just run the Docker command. This will take some time to run because it downloads and spins up some instances on your computer. So, just wait a bit, and it should get done. Anyway, once you do that, it will start on localhost with port 8080. Once it has started, you can go to port 8080, and here you'll see a desktop on the right and a chat interface on the left. This is a fully working Linux desktop that is inside the Docker itself, which is obviously amazing. Anyway, now you can ask it to do anything, and it will do that quite easily. For example, let's ask it to go to Google and search for AI Code King. Okay, it's doing that now. Let's wait a bit. And it's now done. So, this works really well. This is just amazing. We can also ask it to maybe do something else. Like, Let's ask it for the Nvidia stock price. Okay, it's now doing that. Let's wait a bit. And it's now done. So, this also works pretty well. I also want to try it with something even more complex. Let's ask it to tell me the cheapest price of the cheapest flight from Chicago to New York on October 29th, 2024. Let's send it and see. Okay, it's doing that now. Let's wait a bit. And it's done. Okay, it did that pretty well, which is really great. It's super cool for sure. But I really don't have a proper use case for it yet. There might be many use cases for enterprises, like form filling and stuff like that, but I don't have one. It works really well for sure. You can ask it to do anything, and it will probably do that. So, go ahead and just check it out yourself. I'll also be posting the testing video tomorrow for Sonnet and Haiku. So, stay tuned for that as well. I thought that I'd just tell you guys how you can run it and start using it. Overall, it's pretty cool. Anyway, let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you liked this video, consider donating to my channel through the Super Thanks option below, or you can also consider becoming a member by clicking the join button. Also, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.